Hello dosto, welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit. I have with me a very special guest on a Sunday afternoon over here, Vishal Kotian, all hot and handsome, all charged up and fresh after Big Boss 15. कैसे हो आप?
अच्छा हूँ डिटॉक्स जस्ट कर डिटॉक्स एंटी डिटॉक्स कर रहा हूँ डिटॉक्स तो हो गया 2 महीने गेटिंग यूज्ड टू इट फैमिली से मिल रहा हूँ अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत सारे फोन्स और बहुत सारे इतना सारा प्यार का आदत नहीं है जिंदगी में मुझे पता आई डिडंट नो दैट आई एम लव्ड सो मच बिकॉज़ व्हेन यू आर इनसाइड द हाउस यू हार्डली कम टू नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड but I am shocked that so much of love so much of bring back Vishal Kotian and I just can't get over it.
That's really sweet. There's one side, there's a love from your family and friends that you get. On another side, there's love from fans. So of course, it's a fresh experience altogether. But एक चीज मुझे बताओ, your life before Big Boss and after Big Boss 15. In terms of say the psychological process, how has it changed Vishal Kotian as a person?
In fact, nothing can change Vishal Kotian as a person because I've dealt with everything in life, right from being a 15-year-old who's lost his mom, right from being from the gullies of Mumbai, to people telling me that I'm not worth it, that I'm a garage wala's son, I cannot make it big in life. And from there, getting myself educated, going to one of the best universities of India, doing a postgraduate, becoming an MBA in finance. I've been through a lot in life.
Wow.
But yes, this 2 months has taught me more, has taught me to value life a little more, valued the experience of being with your family and being alone. In fact, it's a very simple, I know it's a very, not simple actually, very stupid thing that in India, mostly, we don't hug our dads. The guys usually hug our moms more. I don't know why. There's no rule to it. बट ऐसा होता है कि हम अपने डैड के गले नहीं लगते हैं अपने मॉम के गले लगते हैं बट आई हैव डिसाइडेड आफ्टर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम द हाउस दैट हर दिन मैं अपने डैड के गले लगूंगा तो दैट्स वन डिफरेंस दैट्स मेड टू माय लाइफ द बिग बॉस हाउस हैज taught me the value of hugging my dad.
And just because you mentioned that you lost your mother unfortunately at a very young age, so I'm pretty sure your father must have played the role of both a mother and a father in your life. So definitely kudos to him for that as well. All the love and respect to him. But एक चीज मुझे बताइए, unit about you while being in the show, maybe a section of the audience who are possibly their fan base, the fan base of others I'm talking about. There's a perception that has been built, and I'm not saying that that's a perception of that Vishal Kotian को हम लोग शायद कुछ ट्रस्ट करके या कुछ भरोसा करके उनको कुछ बोल नहीं सकते because he is dual faced. We cannot really trust him. That is the kind of perception that has been built. How do you want to react to that?
See, in the show, you could hate Vishal Kotian, you could love Vishal Kotian, but you could never ignore Vishal Kotian. Every corner of the house still speaks only about Vishal Kotian. Vishal Kotian is out of the show, but still Vishal Kotian is being mentioned, is being discussed, is being talked about. तो मेरी एक बात जो मैंने बचपन से सीखी है वो ये है कि बात उसी की होती है जिसमें कोई बात होती है. तो विशाल कोटियन में वो बात थी जो घर वाले अब तक भूल नहीं पाए and talking about trust, I'm very confused. Everybody in the house said that don't trust Vishal Kotian, but everybody's first choice was Vishal Kotian. जंगल से घर लेके जाना है, शमिता शेट्टी का फर्स्ट चॉइस विशाल कोटियन, ठीक है. घर से VIP रूम लेके जाना है, उमर रियाज का फर्स्ट चॉइस विशाल कोटियन. VIP में रखना है, निशांत भट्ट का फर्स्ट चॉइस विशाल कोटियन. I'm confused. How can you take somebody if you don't trust him? So basically, they didn't trust me somewhere, but they were scared of me. They were scared of my intelligence, so they wanted me on their side. So if you cannot face the enemy, befriend your enemy. So now, who is not supposed to be trusted? Someone who's grown in the show, or someone who's been dual-faced by saying that I cannot trust this person, but I want this person. Isn't that double-faced?
Absolutely. I totally agree with your side of the story as well. And I think that should come out as well because, there's a certain thing that happens inside the show. Of course, you get to speak a lot more once you come out of it. But, you mentioned this very interesting point about, everybody's first choice being you. Now that happens for a reason because they feel that you are possibly the right person for that, whatever may be the circumstances. Do you feel that maybe there has been, say, a gang up or, inside politics maybe against you? Because, often we have seen earlier in the past as well that, whenever you probably identify a strong contestant, you know that ये तो लंबे रेस का घोड़ा है, तो इसको हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ने देंगे, तो एक काम करो, एक मिनी कुछ एक झुंड बनाते हैं let's stop him and then we'll figure out ourselves. Do you think that something like that has happened with you?
नहीं, मेरे खिलाफ झुंड बनाने की इनकी औकात ही नहीं। बेसिकली झुंड बनाने के लिए या किसी के अगेंस्ट जाने के लिए बहुत सारा दिमाग लगता है, जो मैं करता था। मैं अलायंसेस बनाता था, मैं दिमाग लगाता था और गेम में आगे बढ़ता था। ये लोग मुझसे डरते थे क्योंकि इनके पास दिमाग नहीं है। I have just seen the episode. In one of the episodes, Karan Kundra says, Nishant Bhatt is telling Karan Kundra that विशाल कोटिन को VIP रूम में नहीं लाते हैं, मेरे को प्रतीक चाहिए। एंड करण कुंद्रा सेज नहीं भाई, उसी को लाते हैं, उसके पास बहुत दिमाग है, अगर वो सामने रहेगा तो हमको बाहर निकाल देगा, तो इससे अच्छा उसी को ले आते हैं। तो ये लोग मेरे खिलाफ झुंड बनाने का नहीं सोचते थे, ये लोग ये सोचते थे कि विशाल कोटिन थ्रेट है, उसको अपने साइड रखो। विशाल कोटिन जितने अपने साइड रहेगा हम सेफ रहेंगे, ही विल सेफगार्ड अस, दैट इज व्हाट दे वांटेड। जहां तक बाहर निकालने का सवाल है, मुझे बोला गया कि मुझे जनता, दे टोल्ड मी दैट इट्स द ऑडियंस, but I feel if audience took me out, I mean, am I living in two different countries? Because they say that the people of my country voted me out, and when I come out, I've been trending for last 3 days saying that Vishal, get back Vishal Kotian. So which audience voted me out and which audience is trending me? I'm completely confused because I'm technologically challenged, so I don't know what has happened.
You know, but this two India point is very, very interesting because कुछ दिन पहले भी I think there's been something around two India which has triggered quite a lot of things. So I think there's a synonymous approach to that. But you know, now let's come to Shamita. You know, of course, you have had a sibling वाला एक जो relation होता है भाई बहन का, एक mutual respect, एक mutual love, you know, that we have seen earlier, and then things, of course, you know, as again a lot of audience feel that things change. Do you feel that? Is it because of, say, the presence of Rakesh and others, like, you know, who have come later on? Did her affinity towards you?
See, I have a complaint against Shamita. We'll always have this complaint against Shamita, and जब वो बाहर आएगी मैं उसे डांटूंगा और मैं बोलूंगा उसको, because this is a brother's complaint to a sister that क्या होता है ना, if Shamita Shetty would have accepted me saying that तू जैसा भी है तू मेरा भाई है, अब भाई है तो है. Because whatever she did or whatever she spoke, she will be my sister. She'll always be my sister. Even yesterday when I was asked कि घर में तुम लोग को खाना नहीं देते थे और कम था खाना, I would say that हाँ हमको सजा मिली थी, दंड मिला था, बिग बॉस ने खाना नहीं दिया था, लेकिन शमिता शेट्टी के प्लस because she had a medical condition, she used to get gluten free food and she used to share with me. अब इसका भी मुद्दा बनाया गया है बाहर कि विशाल कोटिन बोलते हैं कि शमिता शेट्टी के पास खाना होता था. She had a medical condition, come on. So she was given gluten-free and she shared it with me like a brother. I do have complaints with her because every time somebody came inside the house, she left me alone. And that complaint will always be there. My game got affected because क्या होता है ना, जब दिल का रिश्ता होता है ना, जब दिल धड़कने लगता है तो दिमाग काम करना बंद कर देता है. It's a simple thing. The heart has to pump blood to the brain to function. So Shamita Shetty is the only person who affected me inside the house because I took her as a sister. She will always be my sister. Even right now, I am very affected because क्या हुआ है, जो लोग अंदर मुझे टारगेट करने गए थे, देवोलीना and all these people, the wild cards, अब वो शमिता शेट्टी को टारगेट कर रहे हैं. I'm not feeling good about it because Shamita is very graceful. You know, she will not know how to give back. She can take a stand, but you know, to stoop to their level and answer them, I think Vishal Kotian would have done it. तो आज उसके साथ जो घर के अंदर उसका भाई है वो किसी काम का नहीं है, राजीव. वो सिर्फ यहाँ वहाँ दौड़ेगा और खाना बनाएगा. He is not worth. He is not. You know, he cannot. He doesn't have a mind to play mind games. आज अगर शमिता शेट्टी के साथ उसका भाई खड़ा होता ना तो हम डट के जवाब देते, क्योंकि I am feeling bad. These wildcards don't have a grudge with her. They have a grudge with me. और अब मैं नहीं हूँ तो उसको टारगेट कर रहे हैं मेरे नाम पर, and I'm not liking the feeling. Nobody would. Like if your sister was targeted because of you.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Because if she has nothing to do with that, of course you were going to feel bad about it. But you know, who do you think? Like if I had to ask you very directly, there are some quite a few contestants out there still. Apart from Shamita, if you have to name two others who you see going down till the very end, who would it be?
One would be Umar Riaz because his game is very much like mine. जो दिल में आता है वो बोल देता है बंदा. Intelligent है क्योंकि डॉक्टर है. अब वो मेरे साथ भी खेला है. उस थोड़ा इनफैक्ट जाने से पहले उसने बोला था कि विशाल भाई प्लीज मेरे साथ खेलेंगे. We'll be each other's priority. वो दोस्ती शुरू होने से पहले ही रुक गई. जाते वक्त उसने गले लगाया था और बोला हमारी स्टोरी तो अधूरी रह गई. तो वो उसने मेरे से काफी गेम सीखा है, बिकॉज मैंने काफी उसके साथ बैठकर मैं गेम डिस्कस किया करता था, क्योंकि वो बंदा आई यूज्ड टू फील ही इज लाइक मी, ही इज बिकम अ हीरो फ्रॉम बीइंग अ जीरो. वी हैड नोबडी इन द हाउस. कोई 5 साल जानता था, कोई 7 साल जानता था, कोई स्टार था. आई एंड Umar Riaz have come from zero, from the people. We are a commoner. So I think Umar Riaz should be in the top 3 with Shamita and Teja, my good friend, because Teja knows how to play the game. She is smart, she is bubbly, she is entertaining. So I see my top 3 would be Shamita, Umar and Teja.
Thank you so much, Vishal. Wish you all the best in your life going forward. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless you too. Love you.
Thank you. Lots of love. Thank you, Latika. Thank you.